Namaste. How's it going? Sound and vibration. These two elements coexist as unaltered, pure identity. That's us before this mortal existence, and that's us after our mortal journey. And then these elements have four layers. First, the surface, the physical. The sound it emits when two objects touch, and its rubbing, friction, create the sound. And it's the gross element, the surface. So that's our external personality, who we are in the eyes of others, how we want the world to perceive us. It's predominated by the senses and your mind, your ego. Next layer of this subtle awareness or entities are internal sounds. Sound of the energetic anatomy, which includes the various clusters of nerves attached to our sensorial functions, the chakras. And the sound they emit are quite different from one another too. For example, the sound of the Manipur chakra, the core, is similar to colony of crickets, buzzing, ringing, but not annoying. Yeah, very faint. And it's there when you need to access it during meditation, and not there if you're busy with your daily activities. The sound of the pelvis, which hold two important chakras, the Muladhara and the Swadhisthana chakra. They're similar to gushing water, or air pockets popping. Those are regulated by, actually they regulate the sense of smell and taste. The Manipur chakra influences the sense of sight. So the beauty of meditation and in developing your energetic anatomy. So when your energetic anatomy is open, your senses are also brighter. So you support the functions of your internal system. For example, the Anahat chakra, this one. And then this whole two important, circulatory and respiratory. And then the sound Anahat chakra emit is like air, airy. And also deep and humming like the drum, because that's the blood circulatory, and then the airy sensation is the respiratory system. So just imagine the beauty of developing those internal systems for our longevity. Good. And also, these chakras are responsible for drawing out our creative potentials. Okay. And this also manifests randomly during dreams, because the chakras hold some of the hidden information, which include not just the beautiful ones, but also our trauma, our pain, even from a past life. They randomly appear in this present. And then by acknowledging that, we're able now to refine our awareness, because you will benefit from this. And then you continue meditating, continue developing your energetic body until you're able to break free from that stage and enter the third layer, which is your mental self, your mental personality, the chitta. And this includes the Kundalini. And then the initial few stages of the Samadhi, because Samadhi has many stages too. Most of the Samadhi, your mental energy, your chitta is quite dominant. It detaches from the body. The Kundalini energy separates from you. And personally, I experience this all the time. Your body will just be motionless, non-existent, unimportant. But you're attached to your body. Otherwise, this could be dangerous. So as the mental energy detaches, it will go around places. You experience now not just the beautiful things of your personality, but also the ugly side of it. Those things and trauma and pain you try to suppress subconsciously. Therefore, meditation is healing for the heart because you will acknowledge and accept this nature of yours so you can deal with it. Acceptance is the key to detaching from our bondage. And then, of course, the beauty of this is you acknowledge the potential in all of us. So when you say namaste, actually, what's in you is in me, and what's in me is in you. So we are one and the same. And we all come from the same divine personality. But that's not it, really. All right. Deep down the samadhi, after the peak of it, the mental energy will be drawn quickly back inside the heart, here, literally the chest. There's a big hole here, and that consciousness will be drawn back here, and it will dive deep into a limitless black hole. Really black, literally black. And the sound it emits is the sound of the Om. Om. Never ending, deep humming Om. And the vibration is similar to when your lips touch and your brain vibrates. Your brain will actually witness all of this. Now, this is now your heart stops beating. You're not breathing. Yeah? What holds you, to your life, to your mortal function is your awareness that you're meditating, and of course, your bandhas. And that personality is our divine sacred identity, who we are to begin with. Yeah. For God to feel itself, that creator would have to manifest in this presence. Yeah, so we are a reflection of that divine personality. It's just that as we become more tangible, we become more material, yeah, bondage or blockages are piling up. So that hidden identity of ours get buried inside, and then we're able to resurface and shine that through again by meditation. And of course, after this mortal journey. And I truly believe that after this life, you will be given a split second of choice. Right? You continue who, when, where, how. Yeah. I really believe I've chosen this life of mine. Or if you finished already your mission, you can just stay deep down that abyss where it's so peaceful, quiet, and happy. Yeah, the void. I'll see you in the next one. Namaste. Bye bye.